welcome to our Hankook booth. We are here at Electrify Expo 2025 down in San Pedro. Here at our Hankook booth, we are also offering simulators from our Formula E driving so that you guys in the crowd and everyone coming in can experience what it's like to be behind the wheel. I'm here in our Hankook tent where we are currently featuring our entire iON family, more specifically focusing on our brand new, recently launched iON HT. With our iON HT, it is the first EV-specific highway terrain tire made for light trucks and large SUVs, and we are in the market lead with an 80,000-mile treadwear warranty. So starting with our two winter tires, we do have our studded iON Nordic Ice. We also have our studless iON Icept. Moving on to our iON Flex Climate, which is made for all weather. We do also have our two summer tires, being our iON GT and our iON Evo. And then we have our iON Evo AS, which is our all-season tire. And again, like I said, our brand new iON HT. Also featured in our Hankook booth, we do have the Lucid Gravity, which is featuring our own iON OE fitment.